Τι τόσο fuck.
Έλα, πάνε σε βγάλω μια φωτογραφία με το χέρι. Πιάστε και σήκωσέ το. Πιάστε και σήκωσέ το.
I want to cut on the log.
Just cut far back from the neck. You know you can
Yeah, I
get
know.
the gland.
I want to...
Cut just behind the wound there. Oh, keep the skin for the screw.
Hey, Taki, put it here.
Cut it there. Cut it just behind that wound.
Yeah,
There.
hold you.
Down the gland.
Hold this side, Nico. Hold it. Don't play around now. You're not a girl.
Yeah, there, behind the gland, yeah. We did a scissors. We got a scissors.
No, yeah, but...
Haven't you got a leather man, huh?
No, this is a leather man.
Pull the gland out. No, you pull the gland out. Just pull the gland out.
Γεια σου ρε φιδά.
Pull it out. Wrap it around your finger and pull it out. Pull it
Which?
right out. This vein here. Pull it out.
Okay, hold you.
And just pull it. That's a gland. Pull it all the way out.
Let me... I
Τι κάνει.
want to go down the middle.
Κοίταξε μαλακά, ζωντανό είναι.
Yeah, but I want to cut it down the middle. Hold this side, Nick.
Κύριος Φιδάς.
Ρε παιδιά, μήπως έχετε απορίες να τα φτιάξω εγώ τίποτα.
Έλα, ρε, έλα. Μήπως θέλετε κάνα φίδι.
Don't worry about the point.
Να φέρω στην Ελλάδα κάνα φίδι.
Καλά Τάκη, σε βλέπω πολύ extreme, έτσι.
Τάκη, τι έγινε.
Έξτρα,
Αυτά τα
έξτρα.
κόλπα, πού τα έμαθες αυτά τα κόλπα. εσύ?
Extreme extra.
Το δέρμα μπορούμε να το πάρουμε.
Ew,
Θα το δώσεις στο σχολείο αυτό.
sounds a bit bad.
Sorry.
Take this one here. Maybe it's better.
No, look at
Πω, πω, μαλάκα, τράβα το αυτό.
Το έχω τραβήξει αγόρι μου.
Yeah, yes. I know. But we pull that gland out. We must pull that gland out.
Το στείλουμε στο...
I'm gonna do it now.
Woo!
Hang it out.
Take the skin, you can make a person.
Is this thing sharp?
Yes. I don't know, it's
Ρε, πού
mine.
τα έμαθες αυτά τα κόλπα ρε Τάκη εσύ.
Discovery Channel.
Look like fucking calamari. But
It's bloody Greek, I know everything. Yes, yes. What is it? Too much
What is
water
water?
inside here.
biofood.
This is the
Water, bro.
poison, man.
No,
That's
man.
poison. With that gland, I'm scared of that gland. Just take all the gland out.
Το πιστεύω ρε. Τι είδαμε σήμερα.
Nee, fokol.
Τι.
Het is wit vlees. Dat is hoender.
Yeah, man.
Now you got snack shit on you.
Ja, maar ja. Dutch.
Το έπιασε, το έπιασε.
Now, Pete, have you got a cutting board? Yeah.
No, there's no one. But I saw George.
Νίκο, καλά το κάνουν. Εντάξει, τα καταφέρνουν.
Καλό δρόμο είναι.
I want to
Now,
cut it in
so it can
pieces.
dry. Put it over like that, George.
Yeah, I want to dry that. Look at those. The organs.
They sell it in the restaurant. In the restaurant.
Yes.
Top meat.
Τώρα ξεραίνεται.
Πίστευτο. First time I see this.
It's okay. It's okay.
Nice. Yes, yes, very nice.
Snake balls.
Okay, the rest is all meat.
Hey,
Cut all that blood.
hey, if you shot the balls, there's plenty of balls here.
No, but no, George.
Okay.
Open it like that.
Σίγουρα, στο τηγάνι. Στο τηγάνι, straight.
What I mean.
George, I mean, Peter, where's the tap I can wash it out? Oh, there's a tap there. Okay, I need a cutting board. I want to